Hey everybody, in this video we'll be going over an unboxing of our baby stroller and first impressions of the stroller and car seat. This box is bigger than it's not that heavy. It looks like it'll be heavy, it's just big. Wow! Look at this color. Neutral color. So we got it for our girl and a boy later on. Brand is Infantasy.
Wow!
I've never heard of this before.
Oh no!
But since we're in Japan, it wouldn't make sense to get a Japanese product because they know the environment, the layout, the land, they know how the things will work. And where we're gonna use it, it wouldn't make sense to, right? It makes too much sense. Right now it's locked. So you can't take it apart. So it's good, light carry, it's easy. Walking upstairs, put it in the car, and like put it in the elevator where there's a lot of people around. So, you see right there, slide to unlock it, and watch this. I got a play of it in the store, so it's pretty cool. You have to put it this way, unlock it. Ta-da! Ta-da! See, folds right out. You see that your baby's gonna be facing this way. So the spinning wheels are in the front. These two, they do not spin, or you cannot adjust it to make it spin at all. So what would you, if you want to turn the other way for like infants, you can see them, all you gotta do is lift this up right here, both sides, turn the handle.
Wow!
Locks in place, right? Now you can see your baby when you're going. Like I said earlier, the spinning wheels are only in those two spots. So if you turn, you just gotta make wider turns and, you know, be smart with it. So that's pretty cool. Bye-bye, night-night. You can still see your baby. Lift up the shades. Peekaboo, right there. Let's see what else. What else is in here? Headrest. The straps. Do not carry your baby in the stroller like that. Somebody had to do it before, that's why it's in there.
Oh no!
And then down here, you get the cargo compartment. What we're showing in the store is that when you go shopping, you cannot put your baby, your infant, in the shopping carts, right? You have to bring in the stroller. You can put the shopping basket right in here and slide it in. You still go grocery shopping. When you want to put it back, like collapsing it, you have to put it this way. Right? Now it's locked. Make sure this is down. Now you have to unlock it right here. 2 places. Unlock and the trigger. Pick it up. Then you push it down, and then it locks into place. Now you can pick it up. Easy aim. Hey everybody, this is our car seat for our baby. This car seat is good for 0 months to 4 years old. If you're confused by that, 0 months means infant, newborn, whichever word you want to use. Alright, so we keep it up in plastic so there's no dust on it. Let's see, take it apart. Japan label right there. Obviously made in Japan. Red stands right out. My favorite color. The brand. Leaman brand. Leaman. Okay. 2 straps. The baby's arms goes in. Legs right here. Soft. See all the cushion. All the head padding. Unbuckle. Easy. So these straps right here, you can also move them to put it the highest you can when your baby gets older or bigger. Buckle back up. You have to lay on top of each other. They go in unison. Left over right. Slide right in. Clip. Make it tight again. You pull the straps down here. Wow. Magic. Untight. You don't want it to be untight. You want to keep your baby safe. All right. Instructions on the side to how to buckle it up. You can buckle it up this way, facing the seat. Pretend I'm the seat, so it's facing me. I'm the seat. This way. The seat belt will go right around the back. Steps 1, 2, and 3. Right? Now, when your baby gets bigger, you can turn it the other way. On the seat. Step 1, 2, and 3. Cool. And you can also recline it.
A few moments later.
You can also recline it. The pulleys right here. Ta-da! Now your baby got a recliner in the car seat. So comfortable. Sit it back up. Ta-da! Warnings. Do not put this in the front seat. Somebody must have done it. That's why it's a warning here. Airbag's gonna pop, hit the baby. The baby's gonna go flying.
Oh no!
Update on loosening the straps. With the cure, right? Your baby cannot fly. So, open the flap. There's a red tab. You push, well, to me, I'm pulling. But when you're sitting down there, looking at it, you can push. Now, pull from the upper straps. Loosen it up. Now your baby is comfortable. Right? Depending how fat, big, small, skinny your baby is, adjust the size. Pull. Good to go. And then these orange tabs, they're for the seatbelt. Just read the directions right there, instructions for the seatbelt. And the frame, the car seat does not come out from the frame, the cradle. It's all one mechanism.
それだけはおぼつかない夏の終わり、明け方の電車に揺られて思い出したい懐かしい